Not in the Nigerian world, they say it's a speculation, but it's a reality. What is going on in Finland now, currently now, is something that has never happened in decades, in centuries. And Finland themselves, even in their own independence, they have never seen this. They did not even experience it the way Biafrans are making it to happen in Finland. Do you know that Biafra has made Finland more popular than ever before? And I am happy. Do you know why? The Finland, they saw the light and they embrace it. And that light now is shining in their country. The whole world are coming. The whole world, over 500,000 Biafrans has occupied Finland because of this convention. I'm not talking about the so good citizens of the British, the citizens of Wales, the citizens of Germany, the citizens of Oslo, Norway, Russia, Australia, Israel, America, even China, and surprisingly, Saudi and Iran even coming to embrace this occasion. That is to tell you how important this thing is, how people take this thing, how they want to see this thing. You know, how, let us see how this thing will be. And, you know, the thing has been on air since, but now they don't want another person to tell them the story. They want to be a living testifier of what they have been hearing that have been on air, so that they will go back home and say, hey, I witnessed it. Hey, that day I was there. But it's quite unfortunate that in me, my very self-evangelist, that I am not there. But I pray by the special grace of God, from now till Monday, I might be there by the grace of God. And even if I'm not there, my spirit is already there.
Okay, thank you. The venue of the event is Gian Sidero or something, you know.
Yes.
A man that we believed that was the brain behind the compulsion of Biafran national anthem and Finland national anthem.
Yes.
You know, is Biafra and Finland having something deep?
Yes, spiritual. Yes, spiritual. You know, there is something about Biafra. You know, if you watch for over 50 years now, no country has ever liaised with Biafra until when the time comes, spiritual control the physical. And there is this connection, spiritual connection. Are you getting it? Between Finland, one, the process by which Biafrans are coming to get their independence completely is the same process Finland self passed through to get their own. Are you not seeing it? They have that similar connection. So spiritually, God now connects them and use somebody that have been there with a good record, with a good reputation, even currently in there, that have not given the country a headache, a problem. God now use him then to link up what has been that's supposed to have now, and I believe now is the right time. That's why the spirit connect together, right from the Prime Minister Alexandra. Are you getting it? Down to the grassroots. Go to Finland. Every citizen in Finland are happy of what is happening now. If you go to Finland, Finland is populated now. Finland is all over the world now. They are hearing Finland. People are knowing Finland.
They're becoming more popular.
They are becoming more popular.
The country is becoming more popular.
Yes.
The Igbos have made Finland more popular. You know, and the influence of world powers from France, from America, everybody is heading to Finland.
Macron, the French president, either him, if he didn't go, he's sending a delegate. Some 2 delegates has gone from his own cabinet, already there. Him may likely be there as well. And America, let me tell you, the former officer in Pentagon, Michael Robin, is already there. And many other persons. Just imagine, currently now, what is happening at airport. Hold up everywhere. Hold up. This kind of hold up has never taken place in the history of Finland. And that thing is happening today. Because of what? Biafra. You get it? See Chioma Davido. See Phyno. Look at them. See Rihanna. Rihanna of America. Look at the musicians.
Yes, it was reported that P Square they were also there. What is it turning to a carnival like in Finland with stars heading towards Finland for Biafra the Declaration Convention? Is it a kind of a jubilation for the entire Igbo nation?
Not just entire Igbo nation, but the entire humanity that loves something good. No, if you understand the meaning of freedom, you will embrace this one. Imagine, Davido one time said that Nigeria economy is doing what? It's going down. Now, imagine Chioma now, Davido is sending his wife. Probably there's every tendency Davido is already on air by tomorrow. He might join Chioma because as I'm talking to you now, Chioma is being stalked at the airport because of this. Hold up everywhere. Everybody want to witness this good news. The sun rising, the good moon, the star that is about to shine, which Nigeria want to stop, want to cover. Look at all over the world. I learned even currently now that the French president have one Nigerian president. Hey, please, issue of Biafra, please don't involve me. Because he himself, he's already part of it. And remember, during the war, France played a major role to the help of the Biafrans. You understand? They contributed. So now you are so there's no, you see, for you to see, even in America, London themselves that even fought the war against Biafra are now rejoicing with the Biafra.
Okay, well, the question I want to ask, will Britain feel inferior concerning the fact that Biafran choose Finland as a place, a nation they can work with by going there to present 50 million referendum acknowledged to the world?
Yes, there should be a shame because this kind of a thing supposed to have taken place in Britain. This kind of conventions should have taken place in Britain, not in Finland. But because British are they are too crafty, there's no truth in them. And they don't want this truth called Biafra, this sun to rise called Biafra, this good ideology to come up from Biafra. You see, they have been the brain behind the marginalization that the Biafrans are facing in this country called Nigeria. British are the one contributing immensely because they are the one enjoying the economy that is flowing from the Biafran land. Are you getting it? They are enjoying 60 to 80% of it, more than the Biafrans, more than Nigeria themselves. Go to Tinker Island. Do you know that in Tinker Island, the British are collecting up to 65% of the income that enter in Tinker Island? Something that is in our country, somebody else are benefiting from it more than you and I. You see, and this thing that Biafrans are fighting, the Igbos are trying to stand, we cut off so many things from them. On this note, they don't want it to stand. But it's unfortunate. Oh, very sorry, British. Oh, very sorry. Very, very sorry. Because you can fool everybody, but you cannot fool the people all the time. You have tried, now you have failed. But because of selfishness and self-centered, because there is a period whereby a man will serve you rich, you're supposed to settle that person. So that you as a master, as a boss, so that you have your respect where that your boy is. But England, the British has failed to understand this. And that is why today, the people, they are the ones that are supposed to chop the glory. Now the glory has been moved out of them and is taken to Finland. And after this convention, after today, no, we have defeated England, we have defeated Nigeria, we will defeat them all over the world internationally.
Okay, why is the Igbos excited about Biafra?
because our forefathers have shown us the truth, shown us the way, and the marginalization, the condition, the situation the Igbos find themselves in a country called Nigeria is not giving them joy. Despite the fact that Nigeria, the country, have a lot of resources being blessed by God, yet the Igbos are not enjoying it, rather they are being marginalized over what God has blessed them with. On this, that's why they are rejoicing today, because after now, what belongs to us will be managed and controlled by us. And by doing this, there are some lot of marginalization that will stop. E.g., look at what is happening to our leader, Mazen Nnamdi Kanu. Look at what is going on. Does he supposed to be like that? No, because he's an Igbo man. But let me tell you, Igbo being a Yoruba man submitted a letter of the same Yoruba Oduduwa whatsoever. And Igbo is moving freely because he's a Western man, Yoruba man. And his brother is in power. So if truly justice has to be played, Igbo is supposed to be in prison too.
Oh, yes. What is the Yorubas and the Northerners afraid about the Igbo?
Yes, they are afraid because, let me not say 100%, 80-85% of the economy of Nigerian growth are being generated from the eastern region. And that eastern region, eastern people, the Igbos, the Biafrans, are the one now trying to pull out. Whereby they pull out, that 85% economy is pulling out of Nigeria. And you know what that means in the national GDP.
But the other minor ethnic nationalities, the Northerners are trying to buy them over to counter the issue of Biafra. How do you think the likes of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and Simon Ekpa is going to handle the likes of Ijaw people and the rest of them?
Let me tell you, the Ijaw people that are there is a map. Are you getting it? There is a map. We are not working or fighting out of the map. You understand me? We are working according to the map. And of which some may just believe, and they are part of what is going on. And you know, in a family, you definitely, in a family whereby you have different ideas, you know, that we have different issues in a meeting like this. You understand? There must be an opposition from the family. But with that opposition, that is what makes you stronger.
Okay, lastly, Pastor, it looks as if there's a mystery, uncertainty, you know, a lot of things surrounding Simon Ekpa, alleged police interrogation. Some people said he was spotted somewhere. Some people say he's busy receiving. He's in high spirit. You know, everybody is praying. He's exchanging pleasantries with people who are attending that event. A lot of physically present. You know, a lot of reports going up and down about Simon Ekpa. Is it true that the Finnish government wanted to actually protect Simon Ekpa from Nigerian harm?
Of course, attempt to assassinate him for long, you know, in a occasion like this, because even Nigeria themselves send their own delegates to witness it. Are you getting it? So, and you don't know the angle they prepare while going there. So the Finnish land has to finish what they have started with Simon Ekpa by protecting him, and at the same time give him that protection that he needed in order to achieve that dream. You understand? So that is why you see somebody like Simon Ekpa on Twitter, in various social media, they have been able, the Finnish line have been able to cut him off from there so that Nigeria will not actually get their assignment done over his life.
Okay, lastly, what's your message to those who are gracing the occasion in Finland? What do you want to tell Biafrans in Finland?
I want to pray for all of them, starting from the head to the least. As you gather together for this, hosts of heaven will gather with the protection. There shall be no harm, there shall be no evil, There shall be no arrows of the wicked that shall befall any one of you that embrace this occasion. The same way you embrace this occasion from your various home, you left your home to the place, you will go back in peace. In the name of Jesus Christ. And it shall be well with you all.